is Gabby.
And more at our Winton School, Kor Libby, she is Libby.
Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rapare, the 16th of March.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's phrase is Akomanga, which is te reo for classroom.
As, hey, what Akomanga are you in this year?
I'm in room 11.
We hope to see you using that word during the week.
Ka pai, on to the health and safety news. The clear sky UV forecast for today is moderate from 11 until 2.
And now potae are still required from 11. Kia ora.
Hi VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Middle group gardener from room 6 to 11. Please meet Miss O'Neill in room 6 at 12:30 today with your lunchbox, high vis vest and hat.
Seinor Kapa Haka is on at lunch today in the hall. Be there at 12:30 with your lunch.
Reminder that sausage sizzle is tomorrow. And that is...
Now, if you've missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite popo. See you tomorrow.
Haere rā and stay sharp, Winton School.